Ever sit down to study, only to find yourself suddenly obsessed with your phone? Just one more video, or maybe I need a snack. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that you could study smarter, faster, and still have time for your favorite Netflix show? Let's fix the way you study and start making your brain work for you instead of against you. You know that feeling when you finally sit down to study, but suddenly your phone is way more interesting? Or you end up Googling how to become a llama farmer. Yeah, been there. Here's something that might shock you. 90% of students are studying the wrong way. They're wasting hours looking at notes without actually learning anything. But hold up. What if I told you there's a way to study faster, remember more, and still have time to chill? Whether you're cramming for exams, learning something new, or just want to absorb info faster, these study hacks will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the best tricks to speed up your learning and avoid burnout. Your brain is lazy. Yep, you read that right. Ever notice how something that should take 10 minutes somehow stretches to 2 hours? That's Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. So, what's the fix? Set short study sprints. Instead of saying, I'll study for 3 hours, say, I'll study for just 20 minutes. Your brain can handle that. And once you get started, you'll keep going. Bonus tip: write down exactly what you're studying. It gives your brain clarity. The 80-20 rule: stop studying like a perfectionist. Not everything is equally important. 80% of your results come from just 20% of what you study. So ask yourself, what will actually show up on the test? Past papers, summaries, or even a quick chat with your teacher can save you tons of time. Focus on the 20% that really matters. The timer. Trick. You know how you get super focused when there's a deadline? Well, you can trick your brain into that same urgency anytime. Set a timer for 30 minutes and study like your life depends on it. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break, guilt-free. It works because your brain knows a break is coming, so you can focus better. The Feynman technique. Want to study like a genius? Try the Feynman technique. Pick a topic, say how black holes work, and pretend you're teaching it to a 5-year-old. No jargon, just simple explanations. If you get stuck, go back and relearn. This method doesn't just help you memorize stuff, it helps you understand it. Active recall. Want to remember things way faster? Stop passively reading and start testing yourself. Close the book and try to recall key points from memory. Or use flashcards. Just don't read them over and over. Test yourself. Bonus: try the blurting technique. After reading a chapter, write down everything you remember, then check what you missed. Instant memory boost. Sleep and exercise equals brain power. Here's a fun fact. Your brain doesn't store memories while you're awake. It does it when you're asleep. So, pulling an all-nighter? Not a good idea. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content on love and relationships, and share this with your friends who might need a little help in the flirting department. Catch you in the next one. Thanks. Until then, do subscribe our channel Inspiring Ark for more amazing content.